Stop by and take a look at the 2023 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. Your new ride is just a phone call away.